Oh, wert thou in the cold blast on yonder lea, my plaited Davy Angriert, I'd shelter thee, I'd shelter thee. Or did misfortune's bitter storms around thee blow, thy build should be my bosom, to share it all, to share it all. Or were I in the wildest waste, sae bleak and bare, sae bleak and bare, the desert were a paradise, if thou wert there, if thou wert there. Or were I monarch o'er the globe, with thee to reign, with thee to reign, the brightest jewel in all my crown, would be my queen, would be